Hello, it's Alex here again with RDO Equipment Company out of Moorhead, Minnesota. Making this video today to talk to you about the new kit that we finally got in the US from Europe, from John Deere, and it's the front 3-point heavy-duty snowblower setup. This kit was available in Europe for several years, and it's something that all the dealers knew about and we all wanted. And finally Deere listened to us and brought it over to the US market. This kit was announced in September of 21, and right away when we heard it here at RDO, we jumped on it and started ordering them. I had the first few units sold on a whim. I mean, the customers saw pictures of it, we talked about it, and said, yes, I gotta have it, because when it comes to the commercial snow market, having something a little heavier duty, beefier, better, is always better for the business. The unit behind me here is a 1025R machine, and it's got the front 3.47 inch heavy duty blower. This blower is made in the 47, 54, and 60 inch widths. It is the A-frame mount that you'll find off of the 3R machines. So this is a category 01 hitch, or 01N hitch. When you look at the snowblower, you're gonna think it looks pretty familiar, and you're right. It's because it's derived off of the terrain cut machine. So it is off that heavy duty commercial terrain cut unit where we are getting this head unit, and then we are adapting it to work on the 1025R, 2025R, the large frame 2s, which is your 2032, your 2038, and then of course your 3R machines. You're going to see a few things on this 1025R is how I would set this up for a commercial snow removal contractor. Of course, anybody that wants to buy a setup like this, you don't have to be a commercial guy. You can get all these nice bells and whistles and fun items to go for your property. One thing off the bat that you are going to see that I do on this tractor is the winter front cover that we just now this year came out with and have made for the 1025Rs. This will save you air filters. when it comes to blowing snow and the wind's blowing, especially up here in Minnesota, you can suck in a lot of snow dust, as we call it, into your air filter and ice that up. We're going to eliminate that issue. Another benefit too is obviously closing the front of this machine off to help the machine stay warm when it gets really cold out. Thus, you're going to have better heat in the cab, correct? Another custom thing that I will get back to the snowblower here, but another custom thing that we do with this machine, you can see the Deflector Kit. A message for the dealers out there, you will not find this kit available for this snowblower. This is in John Deere's, what I want to say, bag of parts, if you will, and we adapt this to work on this blower. It's quite simple, pretty easy. It's actually designed, you'll find this actually designed for only the 2025R is how they have it listed. But obviously we all know the 1025R and the 2025R have very similar pedigree. And so adapting this Deflector Kit is pretty easy to do. And then you just have a button in the dash where your knockout plate would be for your independent hydraulic lift. And then that's how we're controlling the deflection. You could do hydraulic, would be simple to do. The reason I haven't gone that route or don't do it is the cab on this machine kind of hinders me from doing it purely on a cost perspective. The front or the third EH kit that is available for these tractors, in order to install that, you got to pull the cab to do it. So it gets costly, if you will, for the consumer to have that kit. If they really want it, yes, it's more robust. We can do it. I have a hydraulic kit that is for this snowblower as well. But this is a lot easier to do. It's less expensive. And as of right now, I got several of these out here in the Fargo, North Dakota, Moorhead, Minnesota area. And contractors have loved them. They've held up very well. The electric kit has held up very, very well for them as well. And of course, it's just routed in. There's two pieces. What I really like about this kit versus buying anything on Amazon and trying to piece a deflector cylinder together, electric motor together and then making your own wires and tapping into it or into the tractor. This is all right there. We're using weather-tight Deutz connectors. If you have a section of the electric kit for this deflector fail, go into your John Deere dealer, get the part ordered, get it replaced, and you're back in business. I like having that aspect of it versus finding something out there on the internet that a dealer might have. I mean, we have some kits like that too that we can do, but what happens if that part is no longer available or we decide not to carry it anymore? How are you going to get your parts? I like to stick to John Deere's bag of parts if I can when I do anything custom on these tractors. This is why we did this. The 3-point kit versus the 47-inch quick hitch that we've had in the past. We're going to a lot more robust design, especially that is especially important for commercial contractors. We need that durability, reliability, because they are out there for 16, 20, 32 hours at a time moving snow for all their customers. And so they can't afford to have a machine go down. They can't afford to have breakdowns. We have to get through the snow event as quickly and efficiently as we can. And having something more robust certainly helps that out. So I'm going to reference my sheet here and tell you a little bit about this and compare some specs from the heavy duty 47-inch versus that 47 quick hitch that's yellow that we all know about. Okay. One thing on the 47-inch heavy duty is you're going to get higher lift height. It's about an inch difference in lift height. That makes a difference for contractors that are not roading these around town but putting them on trailers. It is especially handy if you don't have a dovetail trailer to have that extra lift height, so you're not scraping the bottom or catching skid shoes on your meshed gate. This 3-point hitch, you're going to ask, okay, can I take this off? Can I put a loader on this unit? Yes, you can. Most of that 3-point hitch, the main frame that bolts to the main frame of the tractor is going to stay on the unit. You're going to just take off your draft links and your center link. You're also going to pull off your cylinder and then uncouple that from your mid-stack SCVs on the tractor, and then your loader will go right on. It is compatible. It is also compatible with the mower deck as well. On this housing height, we're at 23 inches high. The old yellow 47-inch quick hitch ones are 20 inches high. Okay. We have a housing depth of 17 inches, which is very similar to the 16.8 inches that was on the yellow snowblower unit, or the yellow quick hitch unit. You're going to go to a 7.25 inch spout diameter versus your 6-inch that you find on your yellow quick hitch snowblower. A big thing here when I talk about that reliability and durability and the extra strength that's in this snowblower is we're going to a helicoil gear case that drives this snowblower versus your enclosed roller chain that we've seen on those yellow quick hitches. Now, the yellow quick hitch snowblower, we all know from the earlier days, we always had to tension that chain. I'm going to take a quick second and do a little spot for the new design that came out, I think it was 2 or 3 years ago. It is now an enclosed gear case that you can update your old open chain design and put that enclosed gear case on your older yellow quick hitch snowblower and have a little bit more reliability out of that unit and longer life than that old open chain design. It is a 16-inch auger that's on this heavy duty unit. That is the same as the yellow quick hitch machine. Your blower fan on this is now welded steel. It is not going to be your polycarbonate that you'll find on the older snowblowers. You do get 2 drift cutters. Common question that always comes up when we sell yellow quick hitch snowblowers is, why is there only 1 drift cutter? That's just how they come. I really don't have an answer for that, but on the quick hitch they do include the 2, so you will be getting that. When it comes to weight of this unit, we weigh in with the 47-inch, we weigh in at 390 pounds. The old quick hitch design is about 240 pounds. So that goes to tell you how much more steel is in this unit. Take a minute, hit the like button, hit the bell, get some notifications. I plan on doing more of these videos. I don't have a huge social media presence. I do plan on getting better at it and showing you guys some custom stuff that we do here at RDO in the Fargo-Moorhead area, and getting better with these videos. So hit the like button, the thumbs up, hit the notification bell, and get some new videos from us when we create them.